Let's talk about something that seems small, but isn't. Words, language, the way we talk. Because here's the deal. Authoritarians don't just attack your rights. They attack your reality. Lesson 9 of On Tyranny by Timothy Snyder is be kind to our language. And that's not just some English teacher fluff, because I'm not even an English teacher. This is about power, control, thought. Because when leaders lie constantly, when propaganda replaces facts, and people start repeating slogans instead of speaking truthfully, guess what happens? Language dies. And then democracy dies with it. In fascist regimes, they use empty words to cover violence. Law and order, national security, patriotic duty. They make brutality sound noble. They say enemies of the people instead of critics. They say alternative facts instead of lies. Sound familiar yet? Timothy Snyder warns us, when you give up precise language, you give up your own ability to think clearly. You make it easier for those in power to do your thinking for you. That's how they win. Because if they can confuse you, they can control you. So what do? We fight for language. We defend the truth. We stop parroting bullshit. We stop normalizing cruelty with soft words. When Trump calls journalists traitors, and when ICE calls children aliens, when billionaires call themselves victims, don't repeat that. Call things what they are. Don't say detained, say abducted. Don't say security threat, say racist excuse. Don't say culture war, say manufactured panic to keep people angry and afraid. Your words matter, your voice matters, and in times like this, clarity is resistance. Here's what Snyder tells us. Avoid pronouncing the phrases everyone else does. Think up your own ways of speaking, even if only to convey that thing you think everyone is saying. It's easy to copy and paste talking points, but freedom doesn't come from easy. It comes from speaking honestly, thinking clearly, refusing to surrender your voice. So stop reposting garbage you haven't read. Stop using hashtags you don't believe in. Stop repeating the language of your oppressor like it's normal. Be kind to our language, because our language shapes how we see the world, and how we see the world decides whether we'll fight to save it.